Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and Aventa. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Thanks for joining, everybody. I'm Bye Bye Money, and we stream live here every single day. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. It's gonna be crazy, pandas. We get absolute live trading. That's all you get here. Maybe some weird commentary, but that's about it. If you want to come here for pure trading, trading the E-minis here, pandas. E-minis. Am I tempted to go to the NAS? Every single day. But we're trading the E-minis. We're going to stick to our guns, pandas. Do most of you trade the NAS? Probably. But we got to create a community for those who trade the E-mini. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good news if you didn't hear already. BBM 80% off, 1 day to pass. All right, that's 1 day minimum to pass, right? It's not forcing you to trade in 1 day, but if you do pass it 1 day, you can get funded in 24 hours. In 24 hours, that means that within 10 days, you can get a payout if you trade out of your mind. If you trade lights out. Pandas. And it's been extended to the end of the month. I mean, it's a gift that keeps on giving, pandas. And if you didn't know a promo was coming up, it's because you are not in the Discord or a panda. I put a message out telling all the pandas and also Discord saying that we have a promo coming up. The thing is, you can't say exactly what the promo is going to be, but you can say if it's going to be good, if it's going to be if it's going to be amazing. You can say, you can give like little sneak peeks like that, but you can't say anything about, you can't give the details. So let me just put it out there right now, pandas. I will say this. BBM for 80% off, 1 day to pass. That's a good promo. That's a good promo. Wink, wink, write it down. It's a good promo. Because it is. It just simply is. If it's like 90% off, then it's going to be like an amazing promo. It's the best promo. If it's 90%, that's the best promo you can possibly get. If it's like back to the default, like 71% off, and maybe like, you get like 3 days to pass, I would say it's a mid promo. It's an okay promo. But, at 80% or better, I would say it's a good promo. It's good. Because 80% off is great. It used to be the best. And then they started doing like 90% and started going crazy over there on the Apex side. It should be coming though, right? If you guys remember, Apex said, hey, it's going to be a long time till we do 90% off. And it took about 3 months, I think. I think they held off for like 3 months before providing 90% off again. Will we get 90% off again sometime soon? I don't know, pandas. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think the last one was like they reached like like 10 million or something like that. They reached like $10 million in payouts. It's absolutely insane. Pandas, let me say good morning to a couple of my regulars here in the morning. Bill 7, good morning. Big Dave, thanks for becoming a super panda. I hope you enjoy it. LG Willie, good morning, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Avalon, good morning. Peter Cho, welcome. Thomas Masters, welcome. Hugh, I'm here for the Yo Mama jokes. That was a one-time thing, man, but they were good. They're gas, as the young folks say. The jokes are gas. Summer in the Rockies. Good morning, GC Burke. Welcome, welcome. Peter Cho, welcome. Thanks, God. Yeah, let's go for a daily chart. Daily chart. We're hitting the 20 EMA here. It's a wick, and we're going down in the wick. So this could continue to go down, right? This is essentially a wick test. The wick basically says that there was a trading range in this bottom part of this candle, and we're going back to the bottom of the trading range, essentially. The 5-minute was just this channel that went up like this. This is not a common thing, right? Essentially, it's a huge bear flag that was created, and now we're pushing down, I think. 10,000 tick chart. Yeah, same idea, bear flag, pushing down. 2,000 tick chart. Second entry short. I thought about it for a sec, but man, this is a bad signal bar, so I'm not really interested in that. But we can come back down here. Maybe breaking the low could create a nice big mama opportunity here. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Big mama, yeah. I'll do a big mama. It really depends, right? It really depends how it looks like when it gets down there. If it's like overextended and taps off of it, I just, I skip it. Skip it. We do have news today. We already had news at 8:15, didn't do much. But the 10 o'clock news could move the market. And we have something interesting happening today. Well, it's the ISM Services PMI at 10. But at 12:10 p.m., 12:10 p.m., that's such a random number. Fed Chair Powell speaks. That could rock the markets. Who knows, Panas? I mean, I don't know. It depends on what he's speaking on or how he's speaking. Like, is his full transcript going to be available? If the full transcript is going to be available, then of course the market can digest it instantly, and it can move the market, such as an FOMC statement. But if it's him speaking, like you don't know what he's going to say, so you just have to kind of wait, and the market can just. He's basically the puppet master, and the market is the puppet, and he controls the strings. He can make the markets go up and down with just the sound of his voice. So he is the market bender. Jerome Powell, the market bender. That's what he is. He's the avatar. So, and he's probably speaking at 12:10, maybe because someone else is speaking before him. That's just when he's scheduled to speak. I don't know, Pandas. I'm just saying, just be aware. But we do have news at 10 o'clock, ISM services, so that could move the markets a little bit. By the way, if you want to know what news I think is going to really move the markets, essentially, when I say move the markets, I'm thinking about make or break, boom or bust your evals, which essentially means in one single trade, you can pass your evals with the news. Apex does not care if you trade with news with evals. They simply do. There are so many evals that are being created. They do not care how you pass them. You can do whatever you want essentially, and I mark which news events I think are gonna make the market move big enough where in one single trade you can pass any single account essentially. And of course it's not guaranteed, but if you want to know what those news items are, join the Discord. It's free. The link is in the description below, and you can join for free. And I have a news channel, trading news channel, and I mark which news I think will really move the markets. And essentially, I highlight them. So, unfortunately, this week I didn't mark any of the news. I don't think anything this week can really move the markets. Next week, though, Pandas, Wednesday and Thursday are big news events. And the nice thing is that the promo was extended till then. So we can essentially trade the news next week. The next week we got CPI numbers again. CPI is just crazy. Typically, like it just goes. The market goes haywire on CPI data. It's because it's purely about inflation right now. We're all about inflation. That's all we care about. Market's opening right now. Whoa, we're popping up. Popping up immediately? What's that about? I have no idea. Okay. Huh. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Moashi, good morning. Sonic, good morning. Ali A. Welcome. Alright, what do we got here? What do we got here? YL, welcome. So weird. Anyways, we got I'm gonna try to take 3 trades. I'm gonna try to take three trades. I'm gonna try to take a limit order trade if I have to. I'll do it, Pandas. You don't think I'll do it, but I'll do it. I'll do a limit order trade. You'll see one day. I'll do a limit order trade, and it's gonna be amazing. Huh. Okay. I don't know. Let's see here. High or low in this trading range, perhaps? Only problem is that
Huh. 10,000 tick trap.
Trap trade. High or low. Coming back to the top of the trading range, 2000 tick chart. So considering a trap trade there. Fortunately, the setup doesn't come. And drop a GM in the chat if you're watching. Helps out the stream. Just got that like button. Huh. So I can just short top of the trading range. I could just go short here. It's a risky trade. But maybe I could take advantage of the fact we most likely would turn to trading range because we have news coming up. We have news at 10 o'clock. So maybe take advantage of the fact that we might be going sideways for a little bit. Come back to the bottom of the trading range here. Or my trap trade here, let's see. Trap trades here. Small risks. My reward is it's a good risk reward here. A decent one. Okay, trap trades, that's not good for me. Could really launch here now. Alright, I was trying to take advantage of the fact that we have news coming up and we could stay in a trading range for a while. But it looks like it might backfire on me. We'll see. I mean, the risk is only 2 points. My reward is 3 points. Which is like, you know, if I took this trade, I have to be like, if I'm 50-50 on this trade, then it'll be a profitable trade in the long run.
10,000 tick trap.
Right? It's positive EV. That makes sense. I really thought I had a chance there once it reversed like that, but that's coming back up. Very interesting. It's very weird looking price action here. Regardless, I'm okay with either outcome. That's every trade you should be okay with either outcome. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. It makes it look bullish to me. I don't know what's happening, pandas. We got like 3 overlapping bars right now. It seems 50-50 to me still. Alright, looks a little bullish, right? It keeps on like showing green. Alright, looks like I lost this trade. It's all good. Moving on. Alright, the inside bar pops the ups. Wow, alright, I'm still in this, pandas. I don't know how I'm still alive here. I really don't know how I'm still alive. We do have news at 10 o'clock. Okay, I think this is it here. This has to be it, right, pandas? This has to take me out here. It's a miracle if I don't get stopped out here. I'll be shocked if I don't. It'll be a miracle. It might even tick shot me, which is annoying to think about, but it might in this kind of market. Alright, takes me out. We'll probably shoot up then, huh? Interesting. Top of the trading range, come back to the bottom. That's all I was thinking. News at 10 o'clock. Typically choppy until then. But looks like we may actually find ourselves a trend here. Who knows? To try to take advantage of all the circumstances surrounding that. Ooh, okay. Maybe another opportunity to go short here. Maybe want to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Right, there's a gap here on the 5-minute. Okay, trading range still like active. Okay, pushing up again. Okay. Maybe fill the gap. 5-minute chart, fill the gap. I'm okay with losing this trade just because I had potential to win more than losing. Alright, this is a hidden L4 setup. Hidden L4 because we got 4 pushes up with this outside bar reversal. I don't know what to make of it. I gotta break out of my mold, pandas. I gotta somehow start trading ranges. I gotta get used to it. I gotta get better. I really gotta get better at it because most days are trading range days, and actually the last few weeks have proven that. I gotta get better at recognizing trading ranges and just learn how to trade them well. It's really frustrating, actually. I should look towards or forwards to trading range days because I'm gonna master them. You know what I mean? Coming back, pushing down. Huh. Let's wait for a L4 setup. I can give it a shot. The only problem is that I think we're going to fill the gap here. That's always a thing that you have to be considering, especially when you're this close. And really take a first breakout trend. You got a strong bull bar. I don't know. Okay. Got the fourth push up here now. Yeah, I mean, the fact that that gap could close, I feel like it is going to prevent me from going on a short here, but I can't go long either because I feel like we're in a trading range. You can't get married to a premise, right? There's always a bull and bear case for everything. So the bulls want to fill the gap here. The bears are seeing trading range somewhere, somehow. Most likely fill the gap. I'll do it on a higher low on the 5 minute. I would maybe attempt to fill a gap on the higher low on the 5 minute chart. Our 5 minute chart showing like, I basically want to see this and just fill the gap, and it can do whatever it wants after that. But I'm thinking that's the setup to get to the fill the gap if you want to fill the gap. We basically broke this channel, and we're coming back up into it. It'll be a first breaker trend essentially. Pandas, I'm waiting like you guys. Like I feel like news really is, we're waiting for news, and that's all we can do. By the way, Pandas, a quick tip. A quick tip when watching streams. Make sure the live button is red and also watching 2x speed. And that's with any stream. Watching 2x speed until it catches up, and it'll come back to regular speed once it catches up, but that way you can get as close as real time as possible. You know what I mean, Pandas? That's how you get as close to real time as possible. L4 does trigger here. It kind of looks like it might just grind upwards. I don't know. See, that's why it's difficult, because you're in trading range, and eventually trading ranges break out. But leading to the breakout is very hard to tell. Is it just a bull leg in the trading range, or is it going to actually break out? It's just really hard to tell. It's almost like, I don't know if there's actually a way to tell. Is there a way to tell, or is there a way to time that perfectly? Obviously not, but I just feel like if there's some like clues you can get to figure out when you can time those breakouts, you make a lot of money. You make a lot of money. Those are like the million. There's like a couple $1 million questions, A couple $1 million questions that are on the market, or about trading. If you can find like a small edge in any of those questions or any of those like uncertainties, such as when do breakouts happen, when will they fail? Those are $1 million questions. Are we going to be in trading range, or are we going to be in a trend? Also, $1 million question. Because if you know you're in trading range, you can literally scale in and you'll always make money, essentially. That's the funny thing about trading range days. They're actually the easiest day to make money if you have a big enough, if you have a wide enough stop. You can always make money, right? Because if it's a trading range, that means the price goes in and out of the same prices over and over again. So that means like wherever you put your trade in, you most likely will at least be able to come out break even. Blacklight, welcome. Play the range limit orders. I think for me, the hardest part about limit orders is to know when to or where to put my stop loss. Yeah, I think it's easy to put your limit order, like your profit target, your take profit, but I don't know where to put my stop loss. Because technically, you should keep it wide so you can re-enter. That's what I tried to do yesterday, right, on the 5-minute chart. I thought we were in trading range the entire day. So I was waiting to come back down to trading range, so I just kept selling near the top here. And I just put my stop loss one tick above, the pivot high. And, I mean, I just got I got chopped up essentially right there and just ended up actually pushing to the upside. So that's why my accounts are currently like, well, negative 100 or some bucks now. Got a lower high setting up here. I mean, I'm not. I don't think I'm that wrong. I think news is making this get choppy, but about 15 minutes of news now. Cool kid, welcome. Make it 1-to-1. The thing about trading range days or trading ranges is that I don't think it's 50-50. I think it's less than 50-50. It's actually like Al Brooks will say if you're trading like trading ranges, you should scalp. I guess you can technically make that 1-to-1 still. You know what? Maybe I'll just do 1-to-1 and just like look for 2-point scalps in trading ranges. Limit orders 2 points, 2 points risk, 2 points. Maybe I should use an ATR. Maybe that's like a time I should use ATR and just see like just only risk the ATR amount plus 1 or something and try to gain the ATR on the other side. Actually, low key genius. Maybe I should use ATR on trading range days. Jeez, am I a genius? I'm just a panda. I'm really just a panda. I'm regular. I'm so regular. It's incredible. You wouldn't believe it how regular I am. Just a regular old panda. Talking, but still. What in the world, pandas? Kind of want to go short. Kind of want to go short back to the bottom here, pandas. I'm tempted. I'm tempted, right? These are failing to break out 3 times at this point. 1, 2, 3 failed breakout wedge top. Whoo! I'm tempted to go short, pandas. You want to join me on this wild ride? You guys want to join me on this wild ride right now? I should wait for news. What am I doing, pandas? Why didn't you guys try to stop me? You guys are terrible friends. Why did you try to stop me? I should just wait for news until I make some moves. ATR on trading range days. That makes so much sense, pandas. Maybe I'll just use ATR. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. ATR. ATR is 2 right now. So that means you look for 2 points, right? Each bar on average is 2 points large, right? That means the average range, ATR's average true range. So basically, my period is 14, so it looks at the last 14 bars. It takes the average of the distance of the high and the low, and that calculates your ATR. Average true range. I mean, for me, the thing that makes the most sense is filling this gap, right, on the 5-minute chart. You fill the gap, then from there you can bounce, you can do whatever you want, but the gap just seems like it'd be unfinished business if we don't fill it. And I kind of hate unfinished business, you know? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Ooh. Definitely got a wedge top going on here. Something fishy's happening, pandas. I don't like it. I don't like it. I saw a meme yesterday about Neuralink, and it's like I don't know, it's not really a meme, but I guess it was like a short, and this person was like sleeping, all of a sudden wakes up, and they're kind of like flipping out, and it's like the meme basically was saying, when you have Neuralink with ads, when you can only afford Neuralink with ads, just wakes you up in the morning, it just wakes you in the middle of the night, plays an ad for you, random personalized ad. Can you imagine? It's like everyone gets Neuralink, but only a few people have it with ads, or like only a few can get it without ads. Everyone has to have it with ads. That's just so crazy to think. Neuralink with ads. This is ridiculous. All right. Anyways, what is happening here? I have no idea. We're getting very choppy here right now. Someone Rockies. It's a good question. Maybe you'd be like Avatar, where you have to like link up, connect via USB, the male and female plug. Maybe that's how you'll do it. Or I don't. Have you seen what's it called? Demolition Man? No. Was it Demolition Man or? I think it was Demolition Man. It's Demolition Man or, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Demolition Man. Sylvester Stallone. I think Sylvester Stallone and Sandra Bullock or something. YL says, I guess it's the same. It's not implanted. That's true, actually. You're not gonna become like, you're not like in the Matrix just laying there, and you're just like living in like a simulated world, a simulation. Actually, though, it'd be cool though. I think it'd be really cool. I know it's in the Inception, but it'd be really cool if you could like, if there were like rooms or I don't know, like kind of like arcades, but the arcade essentially is like a hypnotist, or somehow they can induce lucid dreaming and keep you in the lucid dreaming state, so you can like literally just live in this lucid dream world where you can do it whatever you want. That would be cool, I think, or like some sort of therapy that allows you to do that. I think that would be cool, like a service that does that. It's like, hey, we can put you in a lucid dream state, and literally, like, you can go on these crazy lucid dream adventures. Right, Demolition Man, that was it, right? Like they wore like helmets or something, and they like virtually were like being intimate. I think that's what it was. That's crazy. Hugh remembers. Like, Hugh is dating himself. We're just going back and forth. So I wasn't wrong about the trading range idea here. I wasn't wrong. Just the trading range ended up just being right here. It's gonna be a nasty day today, I think. It's not looking pretty. Time appears to go faster when dreaming, right? So you can live a life. Yeah, I mean, if anything, Inception taught me, when you dream quick. You can have like a whole lifetime in your sleep. But wouldn't that be kind of fun? Like that would be better than like any metaverse. That'd be better than any. And it's like, it's kind of like organic, I guess. It's not like, it's all in your head, I guess. Like that would be fun. I think I would actually want to try that. If I could like enter, like if there was like someone who could put you in this lucid state where you're dreaming, and the thing about lucid dreaming is like once you're lucid, you kind of wake up. You end up waking up, and then you pretend like, oh no, I'm still sleeping. No, you actually end up like kind of waking up, which sucks, right? Because your brain's kind of getting more conscious. But if they can keep you like in a lucid state, or keep you like, yeah, that would be basically, yeah, Vanilla Sky. I think that'd be fun. I think that'd be fun. Every once in a while. Like, you can literally just do whatever you want. You can live like a god. Is that Total Recall? I actually don't know the premise of Total Recall. I just remember like the freaky masks that Arnold Schwarzenegger would wear. What if it was a nightmare? Actually, that's kind of scary. I've had lucid nightmares. I've had lucid nightmares. That's actually like you're right. That actually might be scary, and like you can't get out. Like there's no way to get out because you're obviously sleeping, and they're like purposely keeping you in that sleeping state. You got an inside bar on the 5 minute chart, breaking to the upside. Right. Inside bar 5 minute chart, breaking to the upside. Looking to head for that gap, in my opinion, still. Lucid dream machines. I don't think it's for kids. It should be for adults only. Everyone remember? Actually, that's funny. I don't really remember that. That's not the first thing that comes to my mind. The first thing that comes to my mind is when when they take the mask off Arnold Schwarzenegger's face. I didn't think about the three boob girl. Okay, inside bar and the outside bar makes sense. We got news dropping in about 3 minutes and 30 seconds here. 3.5 minutes. Just hanging out into news. I'm thinking it's gonna fill the gap. If I had to choose a direction, I would choose long. But man, I don't know. This one's tough. Definitely tough here. We got an OIO pattern right now playing on the 5 minute chart. Right, outside, inside, outside. OIO, outside O, inside I, outside O. OIO means breakout mode. Means that this is ready to shoot up or down. Makes sense. We got news coming up. Which way will it go? We have a gap that's very close to being filled, and we have a big trading range that needs to come back down. So I don't know which one will prevail. It's very difficult to know, in my opinion. Houston made me wish I had three. Sir, why do you have three hands? Well, it's because of the movie Total Recall. This is wacky. Looks wacky. 1.5 minutes, Panis. Get ready. Get ready for some fireworks. It looks like this might actually move a little bit. Right, the market is just like coiling up at this point. Again, if I had to choose a direction, I'd go long to fill a gap, but I don't know, Panis. I really don't know. Might come back down to the bottom trading range as well. You have a lot of nerve showing your face
5-minute
around here.
trap.
Ooh, there it is. News dropped. And it's filling the gap. Gap filled. 5-minute chart. Like I said, if I had to choose a direction, and like I also said, after we create this, the higher low was probably the better trade, but unfortunately it happens right at news. Now what will happen, pandas? I do not know. Gap is filled, essentially. Okay. Strong bull bar, 5-minute. Strong bull bar. Right? But this could be reversed like crazy. This could reverse like crazy. Like I said, if I had to choose a direction, I would go long. Fill that gap. But what can you do? What can you do? That's enough to pass. 11-point move is enough to pass a what's it called? A 150k account. You need an 11-point move to pass a 150k account in one single trade. I could get aggressive and go long here. I could. I don't know if I want to though. Could get aggressive, go long here. Probably better off buying limit orders. Trap trade. Trap does trigger here. Ends up really moving the markets, right? ISM services. You don't really think it's gonna move the markets, but hey, this one does. I think you can get a good sense of it once it started coiling up like crazy in this area. Okay, pushing up here. Wow, the 5-minute is just showing a disgusting bull bar right now. Whoo! Who knew ISM services would move the markets like this? It's like, ISM service sometimes move the markets, but man, this is really moving the markets. Like I said, I could have been aggressive there, but decided not to. Buy anything, everything. Is that what I should be doing right now? The thing about news bars is that sometimes they don't really do what you need them to do. Right? Sometimes you get like a super strong bull bar on the news, but since it's created by news, it ends up being exhaustive. It doesn't really do anything. It's just like one strong bull bar and it just reverses. I've seen it happen. It just becomes really volatile. Could be popping up again. I don't know. What do I do? I look for a second entry long at this point? Do I come back down to 20 EMA and go long? The 10,000 tick chart looks like kind of a cup and handle type situation. Got a cup, handle, breakout. It's like almost textbook cup and handle. Right, your neckline's here. Essentially. You got the breakout. The psychology behind cup and handle is that it goes down. And it attempts to go down again, but doesn't go as far down as it could, as it did before. And then instead, it's because of all the bulls trying to get in, about halfway. And then ends up breaking out. That's like the psychology behind the cup and handle. Strong bull bar 5-minute chart. Are we gonna get follow through on this bull bar? I don't know. Probably, but with news, it's really hard to tell. It's really hard to tell. With that being said, I'll try a second entry long, I guess. Okay. Ooh, second entry long floating in mid-air here, perhaps. Still a first entry. Can we get that second pullback, please? So we can enter long. Inside bar, 10,000 tick chart. It's probably the setup. We lost our setup. No longer have a second entry long here. Would have to make 2 legs down from here. Inside bar on a 10,000 tick chart may be what's gonna cause us to keep going up. Right, inside bar setup. What I mean by the inside bar setup. 10,000 tick chart has an OI pattern here, right? OI. Inside bar setup is 1 tick above here. You enter. Your stop loss 1 tick beneath the inside bar, and this is your risk reward. Right? This is your trade plan. You go long. You try to get the 1-to-1. And if you don't, you get hit. So you lose 1-to-1 or you win to 1-to-1. That's the inside bar setup, and that's with trend, right? Strong momentum going up. Let's see daily chart. Okay, we're just bouncing up the 20 MA really at this point. Could be a strong bull trend day after this strong bull bar. Could possibly be the case. The question is, what should you do? Should you just look for all first entries, or should you look for second entry longs? Going back to the 20 MA on the 2000 tick. Slightly good news.
$10,000 tick trap.
Okay, smashing through the 20 MA. Cool. Strong bear bar. 3 strong bear bars in a row. Okay. Now, am I still looking to go long, pandas? We're underneath the 20 MA. Virtually no follow through on this massive bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Virtually no follow through here. Yikes. I don't know. There's a very obvious like neckline break here, right on this cup and handle, and it's very apparent. So it may come back down to retest it, or breakout retest type situation. Keeping an eye on the 10,000 tick for that. Don't know. Don't know what to do. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Oh, what's happening, pandas? Hugh is worried that at any moment Apex is gonna drop the news. It's just out of business. Get your money out. Protect your profits. This is the golden era for Apex to get some of that Daryl money. Those Daryl ducks. Daryl dollars. Oh, I can attempt this. I don't love it. It's not an A plus setup. It is a setup. Ooh, hello.
$10,000 tick trap.
It's not an A plus setup, but it is a setup.
Five-minute trap.
All right, my one-to-ones. 5-5. 5-point stop loss, 5-point reward here. Woo! Hit us! We got it! Push! Push! Setup was a 10,000 tick trap. That was my setup. I almost want more than this.
5-minute trap.
Whoa! Oh, pandas! Pandas! Pandas, we missed it by 1 tick. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Target.
Let's go. Easy peasy. So trading is so easy. Pandas, trading is so simple. It's so easy. You look at the market, you look at the direction it's gonna go, and then you buy in that direction. It's just so easy. What in the world, Pandas? What is this? It was that earned? Was that earned, Pandas? Was that earned? Like, did I earn that? Did I deserve that? No. Did I deserve winning that? No. It was a ridiculous trade. 10,000 tick trap, but going with trend, strong momentum going upwards. You had this like very textbook looking cup and handle breaking out. I mean, I guess the measure move is the cup, right? Measure move is the cup. TA, typical TA will say, this is your measure move up here. Try to get up here. But your stop loss is down here. You know, you gotta realize like you have a huge stop loss, so it is what it is. The breakout area. How many trades is that? 2 trades so far. Let me get one more trade, Pandas. Let me do 3 trades a stream. 3 trades a stream. Let's try it. Let's try a new series. 3 trades a stream. No matter what, I gotta take 3 trades. Is that silly? That's a silly premise to have for a stream. No, is that just ridiculous to have? Momentum trades are the best trades. Momentum trades are nice because you just feel like it just feels very natural to do. Right? Just a strong push and just go with the push. I mean, it's just like very little thinking. That's what I want to have when I trade. I want to have very little thinking. I don't want my trades to be complicated. I just want to do it. Just want to get in, get out. The whole idea of trading being a full-time job is that, you know, you make your life less complicated. Right? You're doing something that is less complicated, less stressful. If you end up doing something that's more stressful, then what's the point, man? What's the point? I have an account ready for payout, but only have 8 trading days on it. I can just do micros in and out for next 2 days, right? I've heard you can do it twice and not have any problems. I never heard of such a rule. I don't know. I've just never heard such a rule. So I can't say anything, but you can take your chances, let us know. I just never heard such a rule. But congratulations, be in payout mode. Or payout city. It's been a long time. My visa's been rejected to payout city for many months now. Super frustrating. It's a matter of when, not if, though. Blacklight says, when your target hits immediately, you can't feel that maybe it was luck and not deserved. It was a good trade, so good it happened right away. It's just like a bad trade that goes bad right away. Yeah, it's a good way to put it. Let's go. I made a great trade, Pandas. And if you didn't make the same trade, you're just It's not at my level. What can I say? Currently up $72 on these accounts. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Up $72. Huh. Second entry long. Perhaps. Could be a decent trade here. Some folks are saying Apex has it in the rules that you can only flip your account 20% of the time. 20% of the time in 10 days is 2 days. Okay. I never heard that rule. Is someone officially from Apex saying that? If someone officially from Apex is saying that, then yeah. Obviously, it has way more weight. I'm not sure. Where did you hear that from? From the Discord? Got a spiking channel happening right now. Oh, it's on the website. 20%. It tells you can flip your accounts 20% of the time. What? I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. Yo, Discord. Send me the link on Discord. I don't think you can send it through chat. What? That's actually kind of cool. Let me see. Ah. Oh, hello. Any kind of flipping can't take up more than 20% of a trader's trading days. I got it. I got it. Very cool. Hey, flip those 2 days. Go for it. Very cool. Hey, you learned something new. That's nice. I'm glad. I didn't know that. I'll take it though. It is official. It's officially on the Apex website. You can flip up to 20% of days. Day Trader NY says, wait, I don't get it. So basically, right, in order to get the payouts, you need to have 10 trading days between each payout, minimum. And so some people have reached the payout goal, as in like they have more than the minimum you need in order to get a payout, and but they don't have enough trading days. And so let's say they traded 8 days, but they need like 2 more days to get to the minimum 10 trading day rule. Then they'll flip trades, which means that they'll flip micros. That means they get in and out of a micro just so they can count that day as a trading day, get more trading days under their belt. And essentially, Apex is saying 20% of the days that for your payout request of your trading days can be flipping days. So if you have 10 trading days minimum, then 2 of those days you can use for flipping. That's pretty cool. So you actually technically only need to trade 8 days. You just have to wait 10. So they basically in 8 days, if you can do it in 8 days, that's all you need. I mean, at the very least, you can send them the article, right? It's on the website. It's actually on the website, the Apex website. I'll post it up here. Yeah, I think Blacklight is right too. I've noticed that as well. There's a consistency rule too for Apex. That means 30% of your profits cannot come from one day, right? You cannot have more than 30% of your profits come from only one day of trading. And I think Apex has been way more strict with that because of the one day to pass and so many people, um, trading now with Apex because you got the big names. You got Wyland, you got Trades by Matt. You got these big names, Bye Money. You got these huge names, going out there, uh, promoting Apex, and so you're getting a lot of people, and some of them are gonna do some crazy stuff and get the payouts, and they're gonna get the payouts essentially with you know one single day of trade. They could probably get the payouts, just go crazy and just get super lucky. So they're trying to prevent that. I think they're being more strict with the 30% rule. Yeah, I'm gonna post here. When was this updated? Oh, a month ago. Okay. There's a website there going over the consistency rules, and you can read it for yourself. It's official, right? You can flip two out of like so if you have 10 days, right, you can flip 2 days, right, 20%. If you have 20 days of trading, then you don't have to flip any trades. Basically, only applies when you have exactly 10 days of trading. You can flip 2 of those days. I agree. They don't always exercise the 30% rule, but now I feel like they have been. They've been more strict with it. This market is like trickling up now. We do have a second entry long here, but it's not a good setup, right? It's just not a good setup in general. Even though second entry long, right? Bad signal bar, floating midair. You don't have enough room to top of the previous pivot highs. It is continuing to go upwards though, so I guess at the end, if you make money, that's all that matters. I do want to enter one more trade though. I don't have to. I'm positive. Positive 129. I'll take it. I'll take it. Four pushes up. I mean, we're just grinding upwards right now. Could be a limit order market. Just keep buying. Or first entries only type market. The reason why I say first entries only is because we were first entries like short not too long ago. Right, these are all first entries. Right, we had this like crazy bear trend, all first entries. So why can't we have a crazy bull trend, all first entries? It can happen. It can easily happen. Trust me, I've seen it many times. 10, I think the most pushes I've ever seen in one direction was like 21 or something like that. It was crazy. I just saw the Daryl email, urgent message. I thought it was gonna be another fundraiser for his kid. My kid is trying to raise money. Another second entry long here. This is getting wacky, to be honest. Another second entry long. I don't know. It's even worse than this one. If I'm gonna skip this one, I should skip this one as well. It's popping up now. No, not sure. Oh. I Pandas. Is today the day? Is today the day I actually just go with a limit order? Just limit order somewhere down here. Risk 2 points to gain 2 points. Is today the day, Pandas? Is today the day, Pandas? Is today the day I actually go with the limit order, and I feel like this is the one I shouldn't do. I got 3 pushes up. I'll let this one go. I'll let this one go, Pandas. Not because I'm scared. Not because I don't have the cojones to do it. I just don't think it's a good trade. Let's just say that. Creates an outside bar. Amazing. Absolutely amazing, actually. This is wild right now. I don't know what's happening. It's really hard for me to trade this. I don't have any setups here. I have no idea. No idea what's happening. Maybe I should bought with a limit order. Maybe I should just bought with a limit order. Hey, you know, it's just too hard to know sometimes. Maybe I should have just bought with a limit order here. You know, at the time, it's hard to tell. Let's just say. I just this is not a market I like to trade. This type of market, it's not my style. Not that I think it's gonna crash here, but I think we're a little. I would need like a deeper pullback. Like the 5 minute just looks really sus. The 5-minute looks like it wants to come back down a little bit, right? With these big wicks here. People are selling limit orders here, buying limit orders down here. Essentially what's happening. Same idea, 10,000 tick.
10,000 tick trap.
2,000 tick. I'm watching all the time frames right now, and I just don't feel. It's uncertain to me. Very uncertain to me. I don't know. Okay, it's pushing up. What can I say? It is doing what it's doing. It will continue to do what it wants to do. I mean, the market just completely got drained of any volatility. Look at this. The last, like, 20 bars have been nothing. I'm just watching pandas. I have no idea. I have no clue. I kind of want to break the low on the 5-minute chart, like of a previous candle. I kind of want that to hurry up and happen, right? Because this has actually been one leg up this entire time. I kind of want to hurry up and break the low of a previous candle's low. It's gonna happen soon, I think. Probably here. No idea though. Huh. It's another second entry long forming. Fortunately. But it's too choppy. The second entry longs mean nothing in these situations.
5-minute trap.
Finally, we break the low on the 5-minute chart of a previous candle, which is nice. Kind of like get that out of the way. Can't take the trap here. Maybe the second entry long. I don't know. It just seems very toppy here. Almost happy with just my green. Just staying green. But if I like the setup, I want to take it. I just don't love the setup. I don't love the setup, pandas. What can I say? I don't love it. Do you love it? I don't love it. You know what? I can do this.
5-minute trap.
Second entry long, 2000 tick chart. Oh. That's crazy. Inside bar. It closes underneath the 20 MA. I don't know if I like it, pandas. Don't like it. Alright, inside bar, break into the micro double bottom. Can't speak too soon. Micro double bottom. Every tick matters. Micro double bottom still. Alright, finally breaks to the downside. I kind of like the fact that it breaks to the downside if it reverses here. I kind of like that even more. To go long. Ooh. Super small risk. Super small risk. I can even reduce the risk even more by coming in with a retracement. Retracement? Is it gonna go without me? Quite possibly. I might have got greedy there trying to get that retracement. I did as fast as I could. I'm gonna miss it. I think I'm gonna miss it. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. It's gonna go without me, huh?
10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, okay. Maybe. 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 Alright, I'm in. I might want to hold past this trap, though. I kind of want to hold past this trap. I'll be straying from my plan for certain. I'll just take the hit and then enter again if it goes long again. It's a less than 2-point risk. The only reason why I want to extend it is because if the trap triggers, I don't think it's going to go very far. I think this channel is going to stop it from really breaking far past this. I could be wrong though. So you know what I'll do is I'll just get hit. If it does take me out and reverses back up again, then I'll go long again. Unfortunately, it's going to happen with the outside bar reversal, which is super frustrating. Yeah, that's going to kick me here. Alright. Alright, fair enough. Alright, at least I didn't get slippage. If it goes long again here, right, if this reverses here, I'll be interested in going long one more time. The only unfortunate thing, it's not outside bar reversal actually. It'll be going long up here. It's a big risk now. I should be buying with limit orders here along the way down, to be honest. Because we've been in a limit order market. This is why I felt like it wasn't going to go much further past if it took me out. Jeez. But like I said, I'll just enter again. This fails. It's part of the plan. Part of the plan, pandas. Certainly part of the plan. I'm in this trade. We'll take a 1-to-1. Alright, last trade of the day. This is my 4th trade actually, so. I lied. I said I was going to do 3 trades only. I'm in my 4th trade. Bouncing off our trend line. Failed reversal attempt. Looking for a 1-to-1 here. 1, 2, 3.5 points. I'll take it. My loss was very small. It was like less than 2-point loss. Here, if I lose, it's much bigger, but we're going for more reward here. And I think, right, any pullback we have probably be small because of how strong this move up was. Thinking we can actually get a nice move up here, break the high here, and hopefully hit our target. We'll see though, pandas. Last trade of the day. Let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
5-minute trap.
The 5-minute triggers. The trap. I'm hoping this pushes. I'm hoping this pushes, pandas. If it doesn't, it is what it is. I'll take the hit. I'll take the red. I'll take the red day. Right, the 5 minutes nice because it ends like as a bull bar. It actually looks nice to push up one more time here. It's a nice looking bull bar here. Right, small pullback on the strong move up. It looks decent to me. What can I say, pandas? Let's see the outcome. The outcome will speak for itself. Let the trading speak for itself, right, pandas? Just like Hans Niemann says. Let the trading speak for itself. Oof. That's not good. Right, nice bull bar but no follow through. Looks like it's just gonna come right back down. It's a failed breakout attempt essentially. Oh, that's not good, pandas. That's not good. It's not good. Still no limit order market, right? People buying limit orders here, selling limit orders up here. Essentially what's happening still. Ooh, lean into your mistakes, pandas. Shall we lean into our mistakes here? The high or low, we're going long. I do not want an outside bar reversal, though. I only will do this if it's not an outside bar reversal. Also, I'll do it with the limit order. High or low? We're just going for the same target here. If I lose this, it is what it is. It could just be getting super choppy, and I'm kind of like going long in the choppiness, expecting a breakout, but
$10,000 tick trap.
oh, that's not good. That is not good, pandas. That's not good. Limit order market still. I'm trying to trade like with stop orders in a super limit order market. It's just, it may not be the right time, pandas. It may not be the right time, but pandas, we're gonna lean into our mistakes here. We're gonna go long again if we get a trap trade. Let the tilt begin. Ooh, power went out. Whole neighborhood is out. I think we're back. See you on the laptop. Oof. Oh! What the? Outside bar reversal, though. I'll let it go. I'll let it go. I don't like outside bar reversals. I'll let it go. It looks bullish to me. It looks good to me right now. What can I say? But who knows? This could just fall, right? Limit orders just like piling up here. Easily can happen right now. Right, if I was a limit order trader, I'll definitely have a limit order here. Wait to come back down. If that was a limit order trader, that is. Like, imagine if all you do are limit orders, right? You'll just look for a limit order right here. The previous pivot high. That's it. That's all you're trying to do. And you lose some, you win some, but all you do is limit orders. If that's all you did, that's what you would try to do here. This is why I don't like the outside bar reversals, because it kind of like retrace back far. But it's coming back up, which is nice for me. Unfortunately, I don't know what's going to happen here. Like, I thought it was very clear what was going to happen, but now, definitely getting a little bit shaky. Let's get it, Pandas. Come on. I just need one more push, Pandas, and I think we're going to get it. Pandas. Can I get some peas in the chat? We need one more push here. We can get it. Push! One more push up. I think we get it here, Pandas. We got it! It's popping out, breaking out. Come on. Push! No! No, push! Just need 1 point, Pandas. We're so close. Push! Come on! No! What are you doing? I need you to push! 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 What is this? No! No! Come on! You can do it! Half a point away! Push! Come on! Come on! Oh, it doesn't look pretty. That's not what the follow through I wanted, Pandas. I'm gonna be honest with you, because it didn't do it instantly. It's making me a little worried right now because it's taking so long. I need this to push. Come on. Oh, push. Pandas. Pandas. I need your peas. Give me your peas in the chat. We're so close. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit. Yeah! We have climaxed, Pandas. We have climaxed together. Amazing. Amazing. Hit the target perfectly. We're up 316, Pandas. We're up 316. I hope you're not getting any weird looks from your spouses or your partners. I hope you're not getting any weird looks from them from all the noises coming out of this stream. Just tell them this is what trading is. This is what trading is. You have to make those noises. That's the only way to trade. I learned that from Al Brooks. That is... It's called professional trading, pandas. And that is what you do. You have to scream, yell, grunt, do whatever you can to make the market go where you need it to go. I appreciate those who dropped the P's. F Zen, I appreciate it. Kid Poker, appreciate it. On a day like today, we're literally just started grinding. We're squeezing water out of a rock right now. That's essentially what we did. I'll take it, man. I'll take it, Pandas. Pandas, hey, hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, Jerome Powell will speak today at 12:10. Who knows what will happen with the markets when he starts speaking. And also, there's news tomorrow, 8:30. I gave birth to profits. That's all I gave birth to. Pandas, I'll see you guys. Thanks for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you scalp that like button. BBM, 80% off. Take advantage of 1 day to pass. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9 o'clock for a pre-market show. 9:15 for the main stream. Hope to see you guys there. And as always, Pandas, happy trading. God bless. Bye.